Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. Chapter number 3, rotation and revolution. So for class 5th, part 6. So in previous part we have completed exercise part, fill in the blanks and true or false. And today's part is their part C, give the reasons for the following. Okay student? See here, all of you open page number 278. All of you open page number 278. There you see question. Question number 1. See. Question number 1 is there here. What is there? You can celebrate your birthday. Over 2 days. If you begin your celebrations in India and end in USA. How is this possible? See a student, question number 1 is there. You can celebrate your birthday over 2 days if you begin your celebrations in India and end in USA. How is this possible? See a student. So now you should be right. Answer number 1. See. Answer number 1 is there now. See. When there is first day in India, you are celebrating and then if you suddenly some telepath yourself to USA, then USA, this is first point, second point. Then there will be your second birthday because there will be daytime. Okay. See here, next point. And there will be 19 USA. 19 USA. Okay. And so here main time gap between the two countries Okay, student, this is the first answer of the give reason. Question is there, you can celebrate your birthday over 2 days if you begin your celebration and end in USA. How is this possible? The answer is, when there is first day in India, when you was first day in India, so you are celebrating, and then if you suddenly telepath, means suddenly you went to USA. Okay, so in then there will be your second birthday. Okay, because why there is your second birthday? So because there will be daytime. So there will be also night in USA. So here main time gap between the time here. So between the two countries, gap between the time means time is here, main time is here, gap between two countries. So it is the give reason, answer number 1. So next you see here question number 2. So give reason only. Question number 2 is there. See here, student. Question number 2. Why does Antarctica in the southern hemisphere experience each season for half a year, Okay, student. So next question is there here. Why does Antarctica in the southern hemisphere experience each season for a half a year? So the answer is there here. See a student, some give reason. Answer number 2. Answer number 2. See, because it's located in the southern hemisphere. Okay, see here, it is the first point. Second point, Antarctica means Antarctica's summer is from October to February. And third point, although there are multiple There are multiple places in the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. So, that experience sunlight during half of the year. Okay. See here, student. Answer number 2. Question is there. Once again I repeating question. Why does Antarctica in the southern hemisphere experience each season for half a year? The answer is there because it's located in the southern hemisphere. Okay. Antarctica summer is from October to February. Although there are multiple places in the northern hemisphere, so that experience sunlight during half of the year. It is the answer of question number 2. Okay. Here 2 reasons are given in our textbook. So 2 given reasons are completed in today's topic. So you should be write neatly in your SST book, SST fair book. Okay. So next session I am continuing in next period. Thank you.